Earning from a blogger website hosted on Google's Blogspot platform involves various strategies to monetize your content. Here's a concise guide. AdSense integration. Sign up for Google AdSense and integrate it with your Blogger account. This allows you to display ads on your blog, earning revenue when visitors interact with or view these ads. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links within your blog posts and earn commissions for every sale or lead generated through those links. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Write posts or reviews about their products or services in exchange for payment or free products. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables related to your blog's niche. Use platforms like Gumroad or SendOwl to facilitate transactions. Offer services. Utilize your expertise by offering services such as consulting, coaching, or freelance writing. Advertise your services on your blog and include a contact page. Donations and crowdfunding. Add a donation button or set up a crowdfunding page for your readers who want to support your content financially. Membership or subscription model. Create premium content or a membership area on your blog. Charge users a subscription fee for access to exclusive content or resources. Sell physical products. If applicable, sell physical products related to your blog niche. Use platforms like Etsy or Shopify to set up an online store. Optimize SEO. Increase traffic to your blog by optimizing for search engines. Higher traffic often translates to increased earnings through ads and affiliate marketing. Engage with your audience. Build a loyal audience by actively engaging with them through comments, social media, and newsletters. A dedicated readership is more likely to support your monetization efforts.